Hello, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and I'm here to bring you all the details about the June 2025 Creatively Inked Kit. And this month, we're going to be working with the absolutely adorable Notes and Totes bundle. Now, this bundle has really great elements that can be used even separately between the Notes and Totes stamp set and the Notes and Totes dies. This die set is amazing if you love to make tree containers and little tiny gift holders, because there are so many little goodies in here to put together some amazing little projects. However, you can use these die cut elements to take you in so many different directions. It's amazing. And in this month's kit, you're going to learn how to use these in a lot of different ways. And I think you're really going to have some fun creating elements that you may not have been able to see otherwise just by looking at this die set. So this month we're going to be doing fun, beachy, bright colors, summery, a little ink blending, a little paper layering, working with some detail pieces to really liven up your elements on your projects. And you're going to make not one, but two fancy folds. And they're not just fancy folds. They actually have pop-up elements, which makes it even more fun. But you're not really going to get to see those because only the subscribers get to see the insides of the projects. So the projects are really cute and beachy. You have these bags and totes and summer elements that just make this really fun. You can pull in lots of different colors and do so much with this. And then of course, you always get a completed card on top of it. So if you're interested in receiving a card kit delivered to you each month that contains the supplies that you need to create really amazing projects and little works of art while developing new skills, learning new techniques, learning new folds, then Creatively Inked is definitely for you. So for $39 a month, this kit will be delivered right to your door. Once you subscribe, you don't have to worry about going in each month to get your kit because it will automatically renew for you until you choose to not receive it anymore. So the Notes and Totes bundle, this is the feature this month. It's available to add on to your kit if you choose. And if you do choose to add it on, it's at a savings of almost 20% because I pay the shipping and the tax on that for you. Or you can choose to substitute something you have on hand. However, you are really going to want these dies to create these adorable bag and tote elements. So I hope I have the opportunity to create a Creatively Inked kit for you. I know you're going to absolutely love it. It's got an amazing PDF tutorial that's super detailed, lots of pictures, great supply lists, and I know that you're going to love diving into this each month. So you have until June 20th to subscribe to receive the Notes and Totes kit. All right. And enjoy putting this kit together. So more later. Bye.